Yeah. Today we'll see one more scenario. See, observe here. This is my source table and this is my target table. The source table name is account master. So we have three columns, so like account number, name, address, and we have three records. The target table name should be account dim. And here we are populating the surrogate keys, that is a primary key, that is 1, 2, 3. But here observe in my source level account number will be 1, 2, 3. But this we need to present as a AC001, AC002, AC003, like this. That means we need to populate the account number with this format. That means AC00 should populate for that particular account number. Okay, that is our requirement. Okay, so we'll see. First, we'll move to our source database. See, observe. This is my source data. We have account number, account holder name, the address. Okay, right. This we need to import into our informatical environment. So we are coming to designer. We are moving to source analyzer. Go to sources, click on import from database. That is located in my source database. So we are providing the relevant credentials like s underscore odbc as well as source. These are the username and password. Right. We are connecting to a particular database which is located in my database side, and we are expanding how many tables are existed in my particular user account. Those I can view. Here, observe the account master required, so that we are selecting and clicking OK. That will be reflected or imported into our Informatica environment. See, we can get this one. Right. Now, as per my requirement, here the extra column should be populated. That is a account key. That is a primary key we need to populate. And here, this account number column should populate the varchar data. It's alphanumeric data we need to present. But in my source level, this is a number. But in my target level, that is a alphanumeric. So we need to create this target table in informatic environment, and that we need to execute into my target database. So we are coming. So we are moving to target designer to design our target table. Right, this source I'm bringing. So just I'm renaming it like account D and moving to columns tab page. Here, account number, one more we need to create. Yes. So this is account number, but here it should be alphanumeric data. Okay. Right. Good. So it is account number, account key. It should be number only. This account number should populate alphanumeric data. So we are selecting varchar2, and that should be like I'm providing like 10. Okay. Then apply. Okay. This we need to execute into my target database. See, observe here. I'm coming to my target database. There is no target table in my database side. See, the table name is AC underscore B. We can check it whether that is existed or not. Yes, there is no object. Okay. Anyway, we're coming and we are executing this object into my target database by providing some credentials. So those are target related credentials we are providing. Yes. Now we are executing. We can check it whether that is executed or not. Now. Yes, table is created. We'll check it. Maybe data AC underscore. Then there is no data because metadata we created, only the structure we created. After completing 5 tasks, we can load the data. Okay. So there is no data. Yes. Right. See, table is existed, but there is no data. Good. See, after every task, we need to save the data. Now we need to design the mapping. So we are coming to mapping designer. We are creating a mapping name as m underscore AC. Okay, AC TGD. Any name we can provide. So the source I'm bringing as well as the target also we need to bring. Now observe here, my requirement is the data we need to load, but this account number, the account key should be populated automatically. So we need to take a sequence generator and this account number should be reformatted. Okay. So I'm taking the sequence generator first. Here we are selecting some properties. The start value should be 1. The increment should be 1 and the current value should be 1. Only these 3 properties we need to set. Okay. After that, each account number should be reformatted. So each record-wise calculation means that is in expression. That is in expression. Okay. So I'm taking the expression transformation here. Okay. And these 2 columns we are bringing into expression. Okay. But here we need to create a output port. The output port. Okay. So here the name I'm providing as a underscore next value. Underscore next value. And it should be string. Okay. This has only one output. So here we need to write some expression. We need to write expression. What is the expression we need to write? So we need to concatenate the AC00 to our next value. To our next value. That is account number. Okay. So within single quote, AC00, this string should concatenated to our account number. Our account number. So so wait 1 minute. Here the account number also we need to bring. Right. So here single quote AC00 single quote close and concatenated with our account number. Simple. Right. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now here the next value should be automatically to populate as a primary key. So from the next value to the link we need to provide to our account key and output So this next value we need to provide to our account number, and the remaining, the name and address, we need to bring from source qualifier behavior. We can save it. So it is valid. Okay. So now we need to create the session. We need to create the workflow. Okay. So we are creating the session. The name is S underscore M underscore AC underscore PGT, and required mapping we need to select, and we need to provide the default properties. For source wise, we need to provide source connection. For target wise, we need to provide target connection because we need to bring the data from back end to front end. So we need to provide relational connections after that. Okay, and here also we need to provide the target. So here normal apply. Okay. Yes. Now we need to create the workflow. So workflow should be the naming convention you need to follow. Right. Okay. Now I'm bringing my session and providing the link and providing connection. We are saving it and we are executing the work. So you need to come down at the monitor level to watch our process. It is succeeded. So we'll check it at the front end side. Yes, it is populated. AC001, AC002, AC003. Okay. In the same way, if you want to check the data at the backend side, you can check it. You can come down database level, go to target schema and check it. Right. So this is a scenario. So we need to populate extra data for our account number. So like this, we can populate. Okay. Right.